Hey guys, dealing with a LG top load washing machine here, and really this fits every washing machine just about. Anyways, it would not drain, so simply follow the drain hose down to the pump, pinch those together, wiggle the hose off, and lo and behold, there's a sock clogged in there. I took some needle nose pliers and pinched it and pulled it out, and voila, fixed the problem. If you did not drain the tub prior to doing so, you're going to get a lot of water all over the place. So I recommend draining it or being ready to deal with the water that comes out. So hope that helps you. Real simple. Again, pull those springs, wiggle the hose off. I just pushed my finger down in the hole and felt around. I could feel there was something in there, so I stuck my needle nose pliers in there, pulled it out, and boom, all the water started draining out. So that's going to resolve my issue for today. I hope this helped you out. Thanks. Bye.